Welcome to a tour of extravagance as we explore the luxurious lives of Hollywood's elite, unveiling the top 5 most expensive actor homes. Tom Cruise's Colorado mansion, worth $39 million. This home offers a rustic yet lavish retreat with breathtaking mountain views, a private trail system, and a charming handcrafted stone design. Will Smith's Calabasas compound reflects his dynamic personality, with a recording studio, a spectacular outdoor pool, and a unique design inspired by Persian architecture. It's worth an astonishing $42 million. This $47 million Beverly Hills post and beam house belongs to Ellen DeGeneres. This home showcases impeccable style with its artful interiors, lush landscaping, expansive outdoor spaces, and panoramic city views. Step into the world of opulence of George Clooney with this stunning Lake Como villa, worth an estimated $100 million. A serene retreat boasting pristine views, lush gardens, and historic charm. Lastly, we glide into Oprah Winfrey's Montecito estate, also worth an estimated $100 million. An expansive haven featuring rose gardens, oak trees, and a stunning blend of luxury and tranquility on 70 acres. Each of these homes reveals a personal touch, blending comfort with extraordinary features that elevate them into more than just living spaces. These architectural masterpieces not only house stars, but also tell stories of unparalleled luxury, creativity, and the unique lifestyles of their famous owners. Join us as we continue to uncover the lavish residences that define the essence of celebrity living, where opulence meets imagination in every corner.